Just had a big flash, waiting for the response. Definitely hear the wind picking up a little bit, blasting through. Definitely getting a bit gusty as this whole surface low is in the area. Really cranking through now, due north. Definitely gusting 25, if not even 30, at least. I am very tempted to go out there with the car mount anemometer. Very tempted. Look at that tree. Holy smokes, look at that tree. Obviously getting a little bit of a funnel effect between the buildings, but still a good wind blasting through. Big flash. That was well worth the 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Let's see if we get the response. Got another surge of wind coming through. Well, certainly now that it's dark, I get some great lightning. And again, this is looking due west, so I have a great shot, really, of this whole complex is just hanging out in southern Plymouth County this evening. Really good spot that I'm in.